Oh, and it says.
That's his. Okay. These are the striped ones. Annie, are we hold your princesses?
Oh my goodness, it's like Spider-Man shooting his web.
Yeah. Mom!
Yes, baby.
He shoots his web.
Awesome. Okay, you open it?
Can I open this one?
Yes, you may.
Hey, Kaya, Bryn. Kaya. Kaya, come here. You want to open a present? You open this one?
Hey,
You open that?
wow, that is so fun.
Maybe there's another. Let me see what it is.
Oh my goodness. Jakin. Oh!
Mom, can I open it?
Yes, you can open it.
Yeah.
Can you open it?
Wow.
Open it for Daddy.
Wow.
You can't see it.
Can I get it out? Mom.
Yeah. Okay, I can try to get it out. Who's this one from? Aunt Corey.
Who's this one from? I love it.
Oh, I'm so glad.
Here, Anna.
Thank
This is
you.
not
You're
Anna.
welcome.
Oh, you need
What's
help?
in
Hey.
there?
Ah, these are little basketball hoops, buddy. These pajamas.
Yeah.
Matching.
Hockey jacks.
Pajamas.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's baby doll pajamas.
Perfect. For you though. For you to wear.
Match your baby?
So you and your baby can have matching pajamas. Oh, Anna, so much
Okay,
fun.
what's this? Mom,
Okay.
they're so cool.
That is an apron.
Yeah.
Did you tell Aunt Corey?
Hey, Corey, thank you.
You're so welcome.
You can probably wear that whenever you do.
I'm so glad you love
You
it.
don't get any marker on your shirt and stuff.
Yes, this guy is so cool.
Those are cookbooks, Anna.
These are my cookbooks.
Oh, and it's so fun.
What?
You love to cook, didn't you?
Wow.
May I help you?
Hey,
I might need to help you open it though.
got Bryn.
Let me go get a pair of scissors, okay?
What's in? It's my cookbook.
There's batteries by the TV. About a pack. Doubles, yeah.
Buddy. Hey, do you want to open up Mimi and Papa's
There's
first
5.
before we-
Here, you need 5.
Five, okay.
Yeah, there's plenty in there. I just bought those.
Okay, Anna.
You say 5 double A?
And this is Corey, Papa.
Well,
Oh, dear goodness.
those were bought for that, so there you go.
My cooking thing.
Oh my goodness, it's a little roller and measuring spoon. Anna, that is awesome. I love it.
Let me see.
Just kidding.
Okay.
Here's my dress.
Anna, Jake, do you want to open up the bigger gift? And this one I think is from Aunt Corey, baby.
No, I don't want to.
This
Is that Jason's or mine?
one is Jacob's. He has a cool Lightning Queen card.
Look, Mom.
Oh, Anna.
Jacob,
Oh,
Jacob,
that's my aunt's scarf.
It looks like cupcakes.
Oh.
Can you
Jacob,
see the cupcakes?
bring Papa the remote control and we'll put
See,
some
there's a
batteries. We're
cherry on
having
the
Corey
top of
put some batteries
There's
in
the
it.
bottom of the
You
chocolate
don't have to bring the
cupcake
balls
and there's
if you
the
want.
frosting and the cherry.
Okay.
How fun. You should put it around your neck.
Okay, you wanna take that to Aunt Corey? Let Aunt Corey do that?
Corey, could you do this?
Sure, buddy.
Corey,
Hey,
I got a scarf just
Sure.
like
Stand
you.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
And
Annie,
I
want me
have
to put it around your
steering
neck?
wheel.
That's what I heard.
And you can talk.
Oh, you can talk on it too.
Get
Well, amazing.
in 4 different ways.
It's like a little thingy that you can talk.
Yeah. Oh, Anna, it's so beautiful.
You have cupcakes around your neck all the time.
And there were
Golf ball?
rings in the packaging
Jake,
of that,
can you
so
want me to help you open your neck?
FYI.
Oh, Anna.
And like there's like probably 10.
Whoops. This one's
Dad,
kind of
what? Look at this.
What are
Rings.
those? Did you know
I think
she
we
got
got
one
one
from
from Luke for that ring.
the person who did my hair? She kept it with her the entire road
My
trip.
fingers.
Oh, that's so funny. Well, yeah, no, she's got enough for like every finger.
Oh, Anna, how beautiful.
You go show me Corey with your scarf and your ring.
Girl, you look so beautiful.
How did you know that? Shake it? You want me to
Oh,
hold it?
Anna.
No, and
There's another ring.
baby.
I want the color.
Oh, boy.
You want the color?
Yeah, I like
Okay, hold
color.
on. Baby, we need to open up one more gift, the one from Mimi and Papa.
This one.
It's in each piece of tissue paper.
Can I help him?
Oh no, let's let him open them all by himself. So thank you though for that sweet offer.
He doesn't know how to.
Here we go. Jake, there you go.
Candy
No,
Manny.
Kaya.
It's Candy Manny. Those Lincoln Logs. It's Lincoln Logs, Mama. Mama, Lincoln Logs.
Not Lincoln Logs.
Nope.
Even though those are great fun.
But what is this?
Let's turn it over.
What is this?
Well, you'll see it.
Not Lincoln Logs.
What is that? You tell me what that is.
It's a train track.
Yes. And it has a remote control
Those rocks.
and a driver.
I have two girls. I got some more. Where's the steering wheel?
What?
That's how I should have redone our hair before we
Oh,
opened
where's
it.
the steering wheel?
Jakes, what do you say to Mimi and Papa?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. And look, you're really sticky.
Did you give him a
Sure, it's nice.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
You are so welcome, dude. Happy birthday.
Oh my, what?
Look at all those rings.
Oh, girl.
Can you go show it, Corey? Show it, Corey.
Yeah, turn around, show me your fingers. Oh, you're so beautiful with all your rings. I love it.
Can you say bling bling in Corey?
Here's my
Okay, I
dress.
think Papa still working.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you say Corey bling bling?
Bling bling.
Yeah.
No, let's go
You
to
had
it.
some bling bling.
This is so much fun.
Yeah, that is really cute.
Yippee!
wanna try
Take my
that?
dress off.
No, no, it's just our supposed.
Maybe some batteries going. How many batteries do we